In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful border glow hover effect using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. Inside the body, create a div element. Set the class to card. Press enter. Create a span element. Type the sparkles emoji. Press enter. Create an H3 element. Type border glow. Press enter. Create a paragraph element. Type radiant glow on hover. Make sure the span, H3, and paragraph elements are all inside the card container. Now target the body element. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the justify content property. Type center. Set the align items property. Type center. Set the minimum height property. Type 100 viewport height. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the font family property. Type system UI sans serif. Set the background property. Type linear gradient. Open parenthesis. Type 135 degrees. Type Rebecca purple, hot pink, and gold. Close parenthesis. Now target the card class. Set the width property. Type 280 pixels. Set the padding property. Type 35 pixels. Then type 25 pixels. Set the border radius property. Type 20 pixels. Set the text align property. Type center. Set the color property. Type white. Set the background property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255, 255, 255, 0.12. Close parenthesis. Set the backdrop filter property. Type blur. Open parenthesis. Type 12 pixels. Close parenthesis. Set the border property. Type 2 pixels solid Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255, 255, 255, 0.2. Close parenthesis. Set the transition property. Type 0.4 seconds. Type ease. Now target the span element inside the card. Set the font size property. Type 44 pixels. Set the display property. Type block. Set the margin bottom property. Type 10 pixels. Now target the H3 element inside the card. Set the margin property. Type 0. Type 0. Type 8 pixels. Set the font size property. Type 22 pixels. Now target the paragraph element inside the card. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the font size property. Type 15 pixels. Set the opacity property. Type 0.85. Now target the hover state of the card. Set the transform property. Type translate Y. Open parenthesis. Type -6 pixels. Close parenthesis. Now set the background property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255, 255, 255, 0.2. Close parenthesis. Next, set the border color property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255, 255, 255, 0.8. Close parenthesis. Finally, set the box shadow property. Type 0, 0, 30 pixels. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255, 255, 255, 0.4. Close parenthesis. Then type a comma. Type 0, 12 pixels, 30 pixels. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Close parenthesis. And that's it. Your border glow hover card is now complete. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.